Friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about a new multi-bagger stock. So before that, you can see here day before yesterday I posted two multi-bagger stock. Those are Reliance Infrastructure Limited and Reliance Power Limited, and I have specified there will be a great chance to buy on Friday, and it was happened yesterday. It was touched bottom and it was locked in upper circuit. Both the stocks are closed in upper circuit, and the rally will be continued. So I hope many of my subscribers they entered to the rally right now. So we are going to discuss about a new multi-bagger now. So this is Cheripal Group of company. It's a textile company. Company name is Vishal Fabrics Limited. We will discuss about the company's fundamental as well as the reason and the target also. We will discuss it. So it's an excellent company. So 46 years Cheripal Group is there. You can see here, and the 20,000 employees are there with the company, and their major products range you can see here. Major products are the ranges are themes of shirting and ladies jeggings and men's bottom, so all related jeans related things they are manufacturing. So you can see here these are their products. So anything related to the jeans they are manufacturing, so the denim fittings you can see here. And while we are coming to the company's sales, you will get surprised, because see, that is a major thing, because maybe we will think that the men's shirtings and these pants how much sales they can make. But while we are coming to the company's sales, you will get surprised. You can see here right now, you can see the growth of company sales. So in 2017, the company sales was only 372 crores, and now it becomes almost 1000 crore in 5 years. So you can see the growth, almost 3 to 4 times they grown. And while we are coming to the company's profitability, you can see here since past 5 years, company has made only the profit. There is no negative profit. Past 5 years, company was generated profit only. And while we are coming to the company's balance sheet, so you can come to know that company is having almost 231 crore reserve is there with the company. From 82 crore to 231 crore, company's reserve got increased. You can see here how many times it got increased in past 5 years. So this is called as company's fundamental. So while we are coming to the company's shareholding pattern, you can see here company is holding almost 68.14 percentage of the share. It is from past 5 years they are maintaining, and only 13.19 percentage shares are pledged. This is not an issue at all, because the company is having 68 percentage of the share, 68.14 percentage. Out of that, only 13.195 percentage is pledged, and company is having good fundamentals, so there is no issue at all. And while we are coming to the market capitalization of the company, you can see here only 370 is the market, 370 crore, and the face value per share is 5. And I told you company's yearly sale itself is 1250 crore sale is there with the company, and company is making profit of almost 40 crores every year. And the company is company's reserve itself is around 231 crore. But while we are coming to the company's market capitalization is only 370 crore, and the company is growing every year. In past 5 years, company has grown 4 times. So it means it's an excellent company for coming days. It's a long time multi-bagger. So without any fear, you can buy this and you can add this. So now we will go into the company's yesterday's trading. You can see here company was closed yesterday positive. You can see here almost 62,000 shares are traded, and out of that almost 67% is taken delivery. And while we are coming to the NSE, you can see that it was closed 2% up. And you can see here almost 1.7 lakh shares are traded. Out of that, almost here also almost 55% is taken delivery. So while we are coming to the target of Vishal Fabrics, you can see that it's trading at 56.25, and the short term target will be 100 plus. So without fear, you can buy this, and the long term target will be around 420. So thank you very much for watching my video. So kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon, because you will get the instant notification, because usually I was giving a short time exit code also. Please don't forget to do that. Thank you very much.